Today's Monday, July 21, 2014. It's the 202nd day of the year. There are 163 days remaining until the end of 2014. Sunrise today is at 5:26 a.m. The sun sets at 8:27 p.m. Length of daylight hours today is 15 hours, 35 seconds. 1 minute, 52 seconds shorter than yesterday. Tomorrow will be 1 minute, 55 seconds shorter than today. The waning crescent moon appears above the horizon today with 25.7% illumination at 1:18 a.m. and sets at 4:04 p.m. The moon passes above downtown Rutland City at 243,629 miles distant from the center of planet Earth within the second zodiacal designation, Taurus, the bull. Under clear skies in downtown Rutland, forecast for today calls for mostly sunny skies with a few afternoon clouds, a high daytime temperature of 82 degrees on the Fahrenheit scale, and wind light and variable. Tonight, look for partly cloudy skies, light wind, a low temperature of 61 degrees. Tuesday is expected to be partly cloudy with a slight chance of measurable rainfall, about 10%, a high temperature of 86 degrees, and light southwest wind, 5 to 10 miles per hour. Pollen count 4.7 out of 12, humidity 66%. UV level is safe, 0 out of 16, and air quality remains good. The highest recorded temperature in the contiguous United States on Sunday is 117 degrees at Death Valley in the Golden State, California. The lowest temperature is 37 degrees at Rexburg, Wyoming, the Equality State, the Cowboy State, and at Leadville in Twin Lakes, Colorado, the Rocky Mountain State.
Trying to determine what's going on in the world by reading newspapers is like trying to tell the time by watching the second hand of a clock. Ben Hecht.
The exact nature of the relationship between schizophrenia and cannabis still isn't clear to scientists, but a new study offers additional clues. Researchers studied genetic data on 2,082 people, about half of whom had used cannabis, Reuters reports. They focused on the number of schizophrenia-linked genes in the subjects. The experts found that those with a predisposition to the illness were more likely to use cannabis and to use more of it than were those without schizophrenia-linked genes, regardless of mental health history. In other words, says a researcher, the study suggests a predisposition to schizophrenia also increases your likelihood of cannabis use. The Verge explains the complexities of the possible relationship between schizophrenia and marijuana. In the 1960s, for example, scientists thought that smoking marijuana could cause psychosis in most people. These days, researchers believe using the drug may spur schizophrenia in those who are predisposed to it. The new study effectively turns the idea around, suggesting that those who are predisposed to the illness may also be predisposed to using marijuana. This is today's Weather Minute. I'm Rich Alcott.